I have 8 containers. So for all these cucumber plants, I'm using a smaller space instead of covering a very large area to grow the cucumber plants. Using this method, I've also eliminated the need to support my cucumber. So I've cut my cost of buying the strings for cucumber support. Ooh. See this? Pollinators are so important. That's a bee. My left is a good cucumber, the one we tested. Really nice and fresh. And this one is the yellow cucumber. You can see that it has some ridges. It's not like this one. This one does not have the deep ridges. You see, this one has very many deep ridges, and it feels so hard. It feels hard. This one is, it feels softer, nice. This one feels hard, many ridges. And the main issue is also the discoloration, the yellow color. So definitely this one you cannot find it in the market. But if you are gardening in drought, you can expect to get such cucumbers because of incomplete pollination. Cucumbers are 95% water, so it's a good fruit to include in your diet. So look at this. So this one has bigger seeds, probably because I've harvested it at a bigger size. So let's taste it. Is that this cucumber tastes equally good. It is not bitter. It tastes like the other cucumber that is deep green in color. This you would expect to find in the market. This one you cannot find in the market, but if you are gardening in drought, get ready to get such fruits if there's incomplete pollination. And it has more water. Look at this. What do you think about my bench for growing cucumbers in containers? So this is another shapeless zucchini that looks like it has a tummy. I'm still getting shapeless, so I'll add this to the other zucchinis I harvested earlier. Team Wilson, here we go. So today I'm weighing the cucumbers and the zucchini. And do note that everything I have, apart from one zucchini, is imperfect produce. And that's because I'm gardening during drought. I have problem with pollination. and the high temperatures. Then we got very heavy rains, and that caused some of the produce to balloon. So I have all the imperfect shapes you can think of, the different colors. So I've already tiered the scale. Hope they will stand. Let me let it balance. So that is 3.183 pounds for the cucumbers. 2.449 pounds. Let me add these ones. 2.039. So we have 3 more remaining. 2.039. The final weight of the zucchini. 1.927 pounds. So here 927. So this is for the cucumber. This is in grams, the individual. This is in pounds.